So I was driving my Mercedes. Then I think a glitch happened. Because tell me why this guy is flying. Tell me why this guy is flying. Bro. This is for the Horizon 2. Look. Look, I was literally inside the car. Look. Bro. Can I change the view? Let me view the replay. Look. Let me exit and continue here. Let me go back. Go back again. See? Okay, let's continue from here and see if it will still happen. Oh, it won't happen. Thank you. Denied Leon. Let's go. Let me fix it. Worked the cars, garage, then it's good now. Let's go type shit. I just wanna be millionaire. I upgrade this car, I'm a millionaire. I just wanna be a millionaire. I just wanna be Let's go for a drive, man. Go, bro. Let's go here. Let's go. Okay, look at this. Shoot, I'm so sorry about that. Pause. I thought I'm going to just go ifike. Oh guys, I just bought a new car. It's called a Lancia. Now it rhymes. But what defines this road is dusty. It's still mine. Is it mine? No, the land is not mine. But I'm selling land, 7 million or fine. This is a Lancia Sport, I guess. Really nice, really wide rims. I upgraded the exhaust. No, I didn't. I upgraded the exhaust. I think it spits flames right now. We're going for a drive to France. Sorry, to Italy. We are in France right now. Yeah. I think that's all. Anyway, you can check out the car. Look at that beauty. Who's that? Who's this driving? It's a Lambo. I also have a Lambo, by the way, but let's humble ourselves a bit. I don't know if this is humility, but let's chill out a bit. Asubuhi imefika. Let me go on the drive.